Can we remove incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently? Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering that, let's find out in this video. So for that, let's go ahead and open up Google Chrome first. Tap on it to open it up on your screen and you should be finding this interface. Now from the top, when you head over to the three dot at the top, you should be finding this menu, and when you go ahead and tap on this new incognito mode, you will be finding your incognito mode started. So if you want to remove it, you cannot permanently remove the incognito mode in Google Chrome on Android, as it is a core feature for privacy control, but you can control other apps like Google Family Link or security app to restrict its use. So we cannot entirely remove or disable the incognito mode. So for now, you can only do this. Otherwise, you can submit a feature request to Google, consider adding an option to disable incognito mode in the future releases. So that's it for now. You can follow this method in order to remove. Otherwise, we don't really have it. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.